What's up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and I can't believe that I didn't die, but I got 3 stacks or 2 stacks of a cobblestone from because I mine, and we're going to build the lab in the nether in somewhere here. Where did I oops, I will be needing this. Where did I put that? Oh my god. Okay, let's grab this and go to the nether because there we go. Into the nether we go. And I still haven't changed my skin, but that's good for now. I wish 0.15.0 have had a lead because I want to bring the iron golem and see you there, buddy. Oh my god, sorry, but I need some food. Sorry for the interruption. Where did I put my foods? And my dog is in the nether right now. He's so excited. Haha, just kidding. No, we need to get him back right now. I mean, right now. Come on. Need just to eat this and go. Find body to the nether. Here we go. Mm. Oh my god. My dog is not here. Guys, my dog is not here. I lost 2 dogs. Okay. Spruce time. What's spruce time? Lab time. That's what I mean. And there we go. This is awesome. It's like they say it in the song. Until the dawn. It's Marvin Gaye and Get It On. Haha. I need this. I have problem. Why did they didn't bring crafting table? Mm, guys, okay. Oh, forget about the lab. Because today we're going to make. I don't know what to make. Okay, I don't really know what to make. Oh my god. Okay, skip the lab. Oh my god, I mean, little house. No, I don't want to waste my cobblestone. Mm, let's just build a graveyard for our dog because I don't know if we die. Farewell, my friend. We will see you in the other side. But for now, we will get this nether quartz. That's now. Maybe he go here. The dirt we go. Oh my god, this looks like promising. Magma cube. I don't have a sword. Oh my god. There's a magma cube here. Escape. Oh my, guys, I'm lost. Okay, go here, go here. Mm, okay. They cannot follow me here. Let's see for the cubes. Oh my god, oh my god. What? What? Why did I just do that? I mean to block. Mm, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Is it safe? Oh my god. Haha. You will never get me. You will. Oh, oh my god. I said you will never get me. But you cannot come to my world. I don't want to kill you right now, but you. Let's bring him in our world. Come on, Magma Cube. Forget about the lab. Haha, he's sleep. I thought the portal was gone. Just do this. Okay. Jump bomb. And then it sucks. We are successful. Magma Cube is here. Let's bring him. Where did he go? Let's bring him into this big guy here. I don't want to lose you because if you grow up, if you can, you will be get killed and you will be small. Grow up and I can have a lot of you. We have a new skeleton friend. Haha, that is awesome. Don't jump into water. Go here, go here. In here, it's much easier. Why did I just close? Why did I just close the door? Okay, this will be successful. Oh my god, that was close. Oh my god, Grumpy. Oh crap, that was insane. And you're in jail right now. You're so mean. Okay, this is for you. We can be friends. There we go. And we have a problem. There's no cow in my world right now. I don't know. There's no pigs, chicken, and sheep. Because the only sheep I can see is my sheep. There's a pig. Okay, guys, I think I will end this episode right here, and I will see you guys on my next vid. Goodbye.